Congratulations on your new Brio AQUUS 800 GPD RO filtration system. Let's walk through the easy installation. Step 1. Connecting to a cold water supply. First, turn off the cold water supply and disconnect the pipe. Next, wrap plumber's tape around the threads of the cold water supply line and feed water adapter before connecting the feed water adapter to the cold water supply line. Now insert the water inlet tube into the quick connector of the feed water adapter and tighten it securely. Step 2. Reverse osmosis waste connection. Locate a straight or vertical area on your drain pipe before the P-trap and drill a hole using a 1/4-inch bit. Only drill through one side of the pipe. Next, find the half of the drain saddle with a hole in the center and the foam gasket. Remove the backing, align it with the hole, and affix it to the inner side of the saddle. Now, put both sides of the drain saddle around the drain pipe, aligning the holes, and secure them with bolts. Insert the RO waste tube into the drain saddle hole. Step 3. Faucet installation. Check for a faucet mounting hole in your sink or countertop. If you don't have one, drill a 1-inch hole. Remove the washer and lock nut from the faucet, leaving the O-ring on. Insert the faucet and power cord into the mounting hole and secure the faucet into place. Next, attach a quick connect to each faucet stem. Insert the blue purified water tube on the longer stem. Then insert the white filtered water tube on the shorter stem. Finish by sliding in the lock clips. Final steps. On the back of the unit, locate the protective plugs and use a tool to remove them. First, press down on the gray collar to release, then pull. Connect all the tubes to the corresponding ports, then slide on the lock clips. Next, turn on the cold water supply, making sure the shutoff valve is open. Connect the faucet power cord to the unit and the filtration system power cord to the adapter. Plug the adapter into an outlet. This will initiate a 90-second flushing mode. Once complete, run the RO-purified water for 5 minutes or until the water runs clear. That's it. Now you're ready to start enjoying better hydration with your new Brio Undersink system.